Good morning and welcome to day 2 of our Hour of Code event. Today we are going to be doing some coding practice using an app that we have added to your iPad called Tinker Jr. So on your iPad, when you're done watching the lesson, you're going to look for an app that looks like this, Tinker Jr. Okay, I'm going to open mine up. And it just takes a second to load. And then we are ready to continue. It says explore fun coding logic puzzles, develop problem-solving resilience, build critical thinking skills. Are you using Tinker at home or at school? We are at home. Okay, so this says subscribe to an individual yearly plan. Boys and girls, you do not have to just subscribe to Tinker Jr. There is an option if you want to unlock more levels and play more games and go farther in Tinker Jr. You can subscribe, but you do not have to, and we are not going to do any of the paid parts of Tinker Jr. I'm just going to X out of that, and then it brings me to the home screen. Also up here, it says sign in. We do not have to have an account and sign in to play. I put Tinker Jr. on your iPad because you can play it for free without any sort of account. So we won't be able to get through all the levels because we're just doing the free parts, but that's okay. There's a lot on here we can do for free without paying or creating an account. Okay? So if your parents see that it says sign in, make sure you tell them we do not have to sign in. We're just doing the parts of Tinker Jr. that are free. So we are going to go into this first set of games called Ocean Odyssey. Okay, and we're going to start at level 1, and it's just going to start out pretty easy, just asking us to unscramble some pictures. And it will make sound on yours. I'm plugged in to my computer right now, so it won't play the sound. But you'll hear the sound when you play yours. So the first thing we have to do here is finish the puzzle, finish the picture, by moving the puzzle piece to the puzzle. All right, we just completed our first level. Now we're going to go on to level 2. And we need to drag the missing piece to the puzzle. This time, it needs to go up at the top. And it will give you directions and it will walk you through. As you go through and complete the different puzzles today, you will be meeting all of the different characters in our adventure. The last character will be on level 10. And after you complete level 10, 11 will bring you to a little game where you can build an aquarium with all of the creatures that you worked on today. And it'll be playing the sound. You'll be able to hear it. It'll give you directions on what to do. But we can add all of the different characters to our scene. You can move them around. Maybe I want the crab down here. And I'll put some starfish on. And then you can change the background scene and add some plants. And that will be the end of your assignment today. So after you've completed the puzzles and finished meeting all of the different ocean creatures, you've made your aquarium. You can go back. And then tomorrow we will begin with our next level and our next activity. So have fun using Tinker Jr. today. When you are finished, add a note, photo, or screenshot in Seesaw and let me know how you did.